In this video, I will be showing you how to download the Grok AI app. Let's get started. I begin by opening up my web browser to the Google homepage. I click into the search box at the top and type Grok to find the official platform. Once the search results load, I look for the main link and click on Grok to navigate directly to the website. The page takes a moment to load, bringing me straight to the Grok interface. Now that I am on the platform, I see the central search bar and menu icons on the left panel. To download the actual application, I move my cursor up to the top right corner of the browser and click on the 3 vertical dots to open the browser menu. I scroll down the list of options until I see Cast, Save, and Share, and I click on it to reveal the next set of settings. From the side menu that pops up, I click on Install Grok. A confirmation box appears near the top center of the screen, asking me if I want to install the app. I proceed by clicking the Install button. The screen quickly shifts and refreshes as the Grok application installs and launches natively on my computer. I am now looking at the standalone Grok desktop interface, which gives me a clean, dedicated window to use the AI assistant. To test it out, I click directly into the search bar at the bottom where it says, "What do you want to know?" I type a prompt, asking it to explain how artificial intelligence is used in everyday life with real-world examples. Once I finish typing, I move over to the right side of the input field and click on the up arrow button to submit my query. The app immediately begins processing my request, showing a brief, working status indicator on the screen. It searches the web and gathers relevant data from multiple sources to compile a thorough response. After a few seconds, Grok generates a detailed breakdown, organizing the real-world examples into clear, numbered categories. It starts with smartphones and personal assistants, listing voice assistants, face recognition, and text tools. I scroll down to read through the rest of the generated response, which covers navigation and transportation, entertainment and shopping, smart home routines, healthcare and wellness, finance and security, and finally, work, education, and creativity. Everything is neatly categorized and easy to navigate inside this newly installed app interface. If you found this walkthrough helpful, please consider liking the video and subscribing for more quick tips and tutorials.